Hi, this is Wearable, the founder of Human Rights in Tech. I started this particular program to help women gain digital skills that will bring them to real life experience. I know what it feels like as a woman to want to dream of earning better, building confidence for yourself, and doing something meaningful. That's why this program is here. Because in this program, we are going to stop dreaming and doing something instead. In this program, we are going to be teaching digital marketing, website design, data analysis for business, social media management. For you to join this program, all you need to do is for you to fill in the form, answer the necessary questions, and submit your form to us. We are going to give you a medium feedback. For you to engage in this program, you don't need an experience or you be a professional to embark in this program. All we need from you is your passion to learn. You are going to get certified, get a reasonable certificate for yourself, and also meet amazing women who have undergone this particular program. Come, let's join hands and move women to a greater level of tech. Thank you and see you.